guys. So we
This
just
way.
booked a hotel somewhere, and we're gonna do
See?
an elevator
The
ride.
elevator.
We're doing an elevator ride.
Yeah.
We got Edwards for us.
Thank you.
Oh, and we're going inside.
What floor?
Question. 5. Elevator. Really? Yes, what?
Okay. We can go where we're going to go. Got more Edwards. Okay. Do you mind if I just go down there and look at the pole station real quick? Okay.
I don't think that's the one.
It is. Okay, guys, and we got an exit sign with and pretty vintage, cool Edwards pole station right here. I'm touching it. Pretty cool. Cool. I'm not gonna pull it as you thought. Okay, bye.